The purpose of mystery is not to remain a mystery, but to reveal itself to humanity. It shows up as an insight when we are ready for the next quantum level. Every problem carries the seed of the solution. Staying with the problem reveals the solution. To stay with the problem is to stay with its mystery. This is how nature reveals insights. 300 million cells of 210 different types die every minute. The same number of new cells are recreated in that 1 minute as a replacement in the human body. When we attract disease, each organ in our body regenerates in a specific time span to be completely healthy again. Nature is continuously working to keep us healthy every minute. We are a perfect creation of nature. Human life is not meant for suffering. Natural death is nature. We take birth for a purpose, and we die when we conclude our purpose.
But natural death is becoming rare. It was a norm for our ancestors. But nowadays, at a very young age, we attract disease. This is the new normal. Where are we going wrong?